Welcome to our video on testing your biological age using a simple at-home kit. Biological age is a fascinating concept that goes beyond your actual years lived. It reflects how well your body is functioning compared to your chronological age. Many people are surprised to learn that their biological age can be younger or older than their calendar age, depending on lifestyle, genetics, and overall health. In this video, we'll walk you through what biological age means, why it matters, and how you can easily test it at home. Let's get started by understanding the basics of biological age and its importance. Biological age is a key indicator of your overall health and longevity. Unlike chronological age, which simply counts the years since your birth, biological age takes into account the condition of your organs, tissues, and cells. This means it can reveal how well you're aging and whether your lifestyle choices are helping or harming your body. Knowing your biological age can motivate you to make positive changes, such as improving your diet, increasing physical activity, or managing stress. It's a powerful tool for taking control of your health and planning for a healthier future. Several factors influence your biological age, including genetics, diet, exercise, sleep, and stress levels. For example, regular physical activity and a balanced diet can help keep your cells and organs functioning optimally, potentially lowering your biological age. On the other hand, chronic stress, poor nutrition, and lack of exercise can accelerate aging at the cellular level. Understanding these influences is crucial for interpreting your biological age results and making informed decisions about your health. Let's explore how these factors play a role in the aging process. Testing your biological age at home has become easier thanks to innovative kits available on the market. These kits typically use a combination of saliva, blood, or urine samples to analyze biomarkers related to aging. The process is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to collect samples in the comfort of your own home and send them to a lab for analysis. Results are usually delivered online, giving you a detailed report on your biological age and recommendations for improvement. Let's look at what's inside a typical at-home kit. A standard biological age testing kit includes several components: sample collection tools, instructions, and a prepaid shipping envelope. Sample tools may include swabs for saliva, lancets for blood, or containers for urine. Clear instructions guide you through the collection process, ensuring accuracy and safety. The prepaid envelope makes it easy to send your samples to the lab without any hassle. Understanding each component helps you prepare for the test and ensures you follow the steps correctly. Before you begin, it's important to read the instructions carefully and prepare your workspace. Make sure your hands are clean and you have all the kit components ready. Some kits may require you to fast or avoid certain foods and drinks before collecting samples. Setting up a clean, well-lit area helps prevent contamination and ensures accurate results. Taking a few minutes to prepare can make the testing process smoother and more reliable. If your kit uses saliva samples, follow the instructions to collect an adequate amount. Usually, you'll need to spit into a tube or use a swab to gather saliva from inside your cheek. Avoid eating, drinking, or smoking for at least 30 minutes before collection. Once you've collected the sample, seal it properly and place it in the provided container. Accurate collection is essential for reliable results, so take your time and ensure you follow each step. Some kits require a small blood sample, typically collected using a lancet. The process involves pricking your finger and placing a drop of blood onto a collection card or into a tube. It's important to follow the instructions for sanitizing your finger and using the lancet safely. After collecting the sample, seal it as directed and dispose of any used materials properly. Blood samples provide valuable information about your biomarkers, so accuracy is key. If your kit uses urine samples, you'll be provided with a container and instructions for collection. Typically, you'll need to collect a midstream sample to ensure accuracy. Follow the guidelines for labeling and sealing the container. Urine samples can reveal important information about your metabolic health and aging markers. Proper collection and handling are essential for reliable results, so pay close attention to the instructions. Once you've collected all required samples, package them according to the kit's instructions. Use the prepaid envelope or box provided to send your samples to the lab. Double-check that all containers are sealed and labeled correctly. Shipping your samples promptly ensures they arrive in good condition for analysis. The process is designed to be simple and convenient, making it easy for anyone to test their biological age at home. After your samples arrive at the lab, technicians analyze them for key biomarkers related to aging. These may include DNA methylation, telomere length, and metabolic markers. The lab uses advanced technology to provide accurate results, which are then compiled into a detailed report. Understanding the analysis process helps you appreciate the science behind biological age testing and the reliability of your results. When you receive your biological age report, it will include your calculated biological age, comparison to your chronological age, and recommendations for improvement. The report may highlight areas where you're aging faster or slower than expected. It's important to review the results carefully and consider the suggestions provided. Your biological age is a snapshot of your current health, offering valuable insights for making positive changes. Biological age kits analyze several biomarkers, including DNA methylation, telomere length, and metabolic health indicators. DNA methylation patterns can show how your genes are being expressed, while telomere length reflects cellular aging. Metabolic markers provide information about your overall health and risk factors. Understanding these biomarkers helps you interpret your results and take action to improve your biological age. DNA methylation is a process where chemical groups attach to your DNA, affecting how genes are turned on or off. Changes in methylation patterns are linked to aging and can be measured to estimate biological age. Kits analyze these patterns to provide insights into your cellular health. Understanding DNA methylation helps explain why biological age can differ from chronological age and how lifestyle choices impact gene expression. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes. As you age, telomeres shorten, which can lead to cellular aging and reduced function. Measuring telomere length is a common method for estimating biological age. Shorter telomeres are associated with aging and age-related diseases, while longer telomeres indicate healthier cells. Kits use this information to help you understand your cellular health and aging process. Metabolic health markers include blood sugar, cholesterol, and inflammation levels. These indicators provide information about your risk for chronic diseases and overall health. Biological age kits analyze these markers to give a comprehensive view of your aging process. Improving metabolic health through diet and exercise can lower your biological age and enhance your well-being. Your lifestyle choices have a significant impact on your biological age. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, adequate sleep, and stress management can all contribute to a younger biological age. Conversely, unhealthy habits like smoking, excessive drinking, and poor diet can accelerate aging. Reviewing your results in the context of your lifestyle helps you identify areas for improvement and set realistic goals. Biological age reports often include personalized recommendations based on your results. These may suggest dietary changes, increased physical activity, or stress reduction techniques. Following these recommendations can help you lower your biological age and improve your health. It's important to set achievable goals and track your progress over time, making adjustments as needed. Testing your biological age periodically allows you to track changes and measure the impact of lifestyle modifications. Many kits recommend retesting every 6 to 12 months. Monitoring your progress helps you stay motivated and make informed decisions about your health. It's a valuable tool for maintaining a youthful biological age and preventing age-related diseases. Many people have questions about biological age testing. Common concerns include the accuracy of the kits, how results are calculated, and what to do with the information. Kits are generally reliable when instructions are followed carefully, but results should be interpreted as part of a broader health assessment. If you have specific health concerns, consult a healthcare professional for guidance. Testing your biological age offers several benefits. It provides a clear picture of your current health, motivates positive lifestyle changes, and helps prevent age-related diseases. Knowing your biological age can inspire you to take better care of yourself and set realistic health goals. It's a proactive approach to aging that empowers you to make informed decisions. While at-home biological age kits are convenient, they have limitations. Results may vary depending on sample quality and lab analysis. Kits provide useful information but should not replace professional medical advice. It's important to use the results as a guide and consult healthcare providers for comprehensive health assessments. There are several biological age kits available, each with unique features and testing methods. Some focus on DNA methylation, while others emphasize telomere length or metabolic markers. Comparing kits helps you choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Look for kits with clear instructions, reliable lab analysis, and comprehensive reports. When selecting a biological age kit, consider factors like sample type, biomarkers tested, price, and customer reviews. Kits that test multiple biomarkers provide a more comprehensive assessment. Read reviews and check for lab certifications to ensure reliability. Choosing the right kit helps you get accurate results and actionable recommendations. Biological age kits vary in cost, with prices ranging from affordable to premium. Most kits are accessible online and can be shipped directly to your home. Consider your budget and the value of the information provided when making a decision. Investing in your health can pay off in the long run by helping you stay youthful and prevent diseases. Privacy is a major concern when testing your biological age. Reputable kits use secure methods to protect your personal and health data. Look for kits with clear privacy policies and data encryption. Your results should be accessible only to you and authorized personnel. Ensuring privacy gives you peace of mind and confidence in the testing process. Let's visualize how a biological age kit analyzes biomarkers. Imagine a schematic showing three main sections: DNA methylation, telomere length, and metabolic markers. Each section displays sample collection tools, lab analysis steps, and result interpretation. This schematic helps you understand the process from sample collection to receiving your biological age report, highlighting the scientific rigor behind the test. Let's look at a real-life example. Jane, age 45, uses an at-home biological age kit. After collecting her samples and sending them to the lab, she receives a report showing her biological age is 40. The report suggests she's aging slower than her chronological age, thanks to her healthy lifestyle. Jane uses the recommendations to further improve her health, demonstrating the value of biological age testing. After testing your biological age, it's important to act on the recommendations. Small changes like eating more vegetables, exercising regularly, and managing stress can make a big difference. Tracking your progress and retesting periodically helps you stay motivated and see the impact of your efforts. Making positive changes is the key to maintaining a youthful biological age. Testing your biological age at home is a simple and effective way to understand your health and aging process. By following the kit instructions, collecting samples accurately, and reviewing your results, you can gain valuable insights and make positive changes. Remember, biological age is influenced by lifestyle, so take action to stay youthful and healthy. Consider retesting periodically to track your progress and celebrate your achievements.